Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu Learn Tulu Language Online. After reading my online Tulu lessons, many of you suggested me to create audio lessons which will be helpful to learn correct pronunciation of Tulu words. Also, many suggested me to provide lessons in Kannada language so that it will be easier for Kannadigas to learn Tulu language. So, I have started this channel. I will be uploading video lessons both in English and Kannada. These video lessons will be based on the Tulu lessons in my website easytulu.com.
So you will see video version of all these lessons in my YouTube channel, and also you should be able to learn to speak Tulu easily with the correct pronunciation. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification on my upcoming video lessons. Thank you for watching.